Hello students, how are you all? Are you good? Have you seen last video? In last video we have discussed a few kriyas, few pranayams for acidity. As we have discussed that few festivals are coming now, Diwali is coming. So in this time we eat a lot, isn't it? Some spicy food is also there, fried and spicy. So we may suffer from the problem of an acidity and gas trouble also, isn't it? So in last video we have seen a few remedies, yogic remedies for an acidity. I have suggested you that if somebody is suffering from hyperacidity, then that person can have 4 teaspoon of aloe vera juice in the morning with empty stomach. Okay, so that will be very much beneficial because aloe vera is very cold. Okay, it is very cool, so it will help to reduce an acidity. We have seen 2 pranayamas, those are Shitali and Sitkari. Okay, so today we are going to discuss few asanas, few kriyas which are helpful to give a nice relief from gas trouble. Okay, so one of the home remedy for gas release is you can drink a lukewarm water. Okay, so that will also helps to release the gases. Fine. So but if that water becomes hot, then it may increase the problem of an acidity. So water should be lukewarm, and if somebody is already suffering from an acidity, then the water should be very slightly warm. Okay, but if somebody is suffering from cold and cough, then he or she can drink little bit more warm water. Okay, for normal person lukewarm water means lukewarm water is recommended. Okay, so that will helps to release the gases. Then today we are going to see few asanas which will help to give a nice relief in gases. Fine. So let us start our session, today's session with first 3 omkaras. Fine. Then I will show you few asanas. So let us start. Sit on the mat. So you can sit in Padmasana, Vajrasana. See, I am sitting in Padmasana. Perform Gyat Mudra. Sit erect. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. We'll do 2 deep breathings and then we'll chant 3 omkaras. Okay? So close your eyes. Sit erect. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out slowly. Breathe in. Breathe out slowly. Now with exhalation we are going to chant omkaras. Take a deep breath in again. Rub your palm. Slowly put your palm on your eyes. Now slowly open your eyes. Fine. So let us see what are those asanas or what are those few techniques which will help us for gas relief. Okay. So first we'll see few simple steps what we can do. For that are simply lay down on the mat. Okay. A Pawan Muktasan wind release pose is the best asana considered for gas travel. Okay. Now how to perform this? We'll show you. Lift your both legs, or you can fold your knees like this. Okay. Take your both knees onto your chest. Press your abdomen. Press your knees onto your abdomen. Okay. If you want more pressure, then with the help of clasped hands, press your legs onto your abdomen. Then inhale, and with exhalation, try to touch your chin to your knees. Hold this pose as much as you can. Now maintain normal breathing. Don't hold your breathing. If you have any problem, if you are suffering from any neck problem, it will be okay if you don't lift your head. Now with exhalation, inhale and exhale. Again with exhalation, let your head rest down. Release your hands. Release your legs slowly. This is called as Pawan Mukta Asana. Pawan means air, okay, wind. Mukta means release. Asana means pose. So this is wind releasing pose. Fine. So this asana is very much helpful if you perform it. I will show it one more time how you can perform. You can also do it in this way also. Lift your both legs, then fold your legs. Okay, or directly you can fold your knees and directly you can press your knees onto your chest, then press your abdomen as much as you can, and with exhalation lift your head, try to touch your chin to your knees. So if you maintain normal breathing, if you perform this asana early in the morning before when you wake up, before getting up from your bed, if you perform this asana, and in the night before sleep, if you perform this asana, it gives very nice effects. Release your hands. Perform all the steps very slowly. Don't give any jerks. Okay. So this asana should be performed with empty stomach, and if you have meal, then at least there should be 3 hours gap should be there. Okay. That means if you are sleeping in the night at 10 o'clock, then you should finish your meal. You should have your meal at 7 p.m. only. Okay. Then you can perform it in the night at 10 o'clock, and in the morning as you wake up, you can perform this. If you perform this, you will see the difference. Fine. So this is nothing but Pawan Muktasana wind relieving pose. Fine. Now we'll see few more asanas, few more kriyas which you can do. You can simply perform butterfly of your legs. Okay. Join your both feet like this. Okay. Hold your toes with your hands like this way. Then now try to perform butterfly. Okay, this is also very much beneficial. This will improve blood circulation in your lower abdomen, in your legs. Generally what happens if we are suffering from any gas trouble, our legs, there will be pain in our legs. Okay, so release. You can do also one more thing. You have to just see, this is something different. but which is very much helpful for your legs and for the gas problem. Simply lift your left leg like this. Don't lift the heel. Lift your left leg. Now put this leg down. Lift it down. Not lift like this. Do it like this. Your leg is on the mat. Simply lift your leg. Heel will be on its place. Hit it. Understood? Fine. I will do it with another leg also. You can do it 10 times, 15 times, 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Fine? You will feel the difference. Okay? Now we'll see few asanas, few more asanas which are again helpful for us. Okay? Now we'll see what we can perform. Shalabhasana and Dhanurasana are also helpful for us. So before that, we'll see few processes how we can do. Just lay down on the mat on your stomach. Your chin should be on the mat. Okay. Now place your palms near to your shoulder. Now exhale, and as you inhale, lift your chin, shoulders, chest and stomach. Till now you can lift your body up. Okay, I will show you how to do this. If you are comfortable, then join your both legs. Or if you are not comfortable, you can take distance between your legs. Fine. Again, this should be done with empty stomach only. Now inhale, exhale slowly. Again with inhalation, lift your body up like this. Okay, this will also help us to release the gases. This is known as Cobra pose or Bhujangasana. Now with exhalation, slowly come down. Release your both hands. Now this is ideally, this is nothing but Bhujangasana. Now we can do one variation here for gastric problems. Okay, you can put your both palms near your chin. Okay. Now see, with inhalation, lift your body up. With exhalation, come down. Up, down. Keep it in mind, when you are lifting your body, you have to inhale, and when you are coming back, you have to exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Okay? With inhalation, lift your body up, down. With inhalation, up. With exhalation, down. Inhalation up, exhalation down. Inhalation up, with exhalation down. Up, down. Up, down. Okay? So this will also help you. Now, in locust pose, what we do? We lift our legs like this. This is the locust pose. Okay? Shalabhasana. So Dhanurasana is a combination of locust pose and Bhujangasana. Locust pose and Cobra pose. So what we are going to do here is fold your legs. Okay? Like this. Now hold your toes, or you can hold your ankles with your hands. Okay. Now exhale, and with inhalation lift your whole body up. Okay, like this. With inhalation lift your body up. Stretch your body as much as you can. This is called as bow pose, Dhanurasana. Maintain normal breathing. This will give a nice stretch to your thighs, to your shoulders, to your back muscles. Maintain normal breathing. Now with exhalation, release the pose slowly. Release your hands, release your legs. Now take a deep breath in. Exhale slowly. Take a deep breath in. Exhale slowly. I will show you Dhanurasana one more time. Hold your knees. Hold your ankles with your hands. Okay. If you hold your toes, that will be also better. But if you hold your ankles, the Dhanurasana will be more better. Now, take a deep breath in. Exhale slowly. Now, with inhalation, lift your body up. Now, maintain normal breathing. Now, with exhalation, relax. Release the pose. Okay? Fine. So these asanas are helpful for gas travels, or we can also give a nice twist to your back muscles. That will be also helpful. Now how we can do it? You can simply sit or stretch your legs like this. Okay. Now fold your one of the leg. Keep gap between this. Now insert your right hand in between your left leg and hold the left leg with your right hand. Now put your left hand to the back and twist your spine to the back in this way. This will give a nice stretch to your back muscles. Now slowly release the pose. 1, 2, 3. Okay? You can do it in another side also. Okay? Hold your leg. Now hold your right leg with your left hand. Put your right hand to the back and give a nice stretch to your back muscles. Twist your back. Now slowly release the pose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now, at last but not the least, one of the best asana which you can perform immediately after having meal, which is very much helpful for digestion process. That is called as Vajra Asana. Okay? You might be knowing this. You can sit in Vajrasana anytime, anywhere. but the only thing is there should not be knee injury. Okay, knee problem should not be there. Okay, how to do this? Simply stretch your legs, fold your one of the leg, now fold your another leg, and you have to sit onto your heels. Sit erect, relax. This is Vajrasana. You can sit as much as time in Vajrasana. If you cannot sit comfortably in Vajrasana, then I will show you what you can do is you can simply roll your mat, or you can simply put any cushion like this. See, I will show you back view. This is the side view. I am going to show you roll this mat. And then you can sit over this like this. This will also help. Okay? Fine. I will show you the back view. How do you sit in Vajrasana is, see, kneel down, you can simply kneel down. Now join your both knees. Now your big toe, one of the big toe will be on the another big toe. Now slowly sit. Your seat should be on your heels. This is Vajrasana. Sit erect. Okay. One more variation is there in Vajrasana, which you can do, but which you can do not do immediate after having meal. Vajrasana you can do immediate after having the meal, but this asana should be performed with empty stomach. That is Mandukasana. Sit in Vajrasana, make a fist, put your fist in your groins below your stomach. Okay, in this way. Now take a deep breath, and with exhalation, bend down slowly. Okay, this is called as Mandukasana or frog pose. This asana is again helpful for diabetes, for digestion process, maintain normal breathing. Why we are not touching our head is because this is Mandukasana, frog pose. So frog looks like this. Okay, now with inhalation, again slowly come up, release the pose. Okay, so these are few asanas which will be helpful for gas trouble. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can also ask me in comment box also, or you can also mail me on my mail ID, that is yogatrpis@gmail.com. Okay students, so do all these asanas in the morning itself. That will be very much beneficial for our health. Okay, cardiac exercises, normal walk are also helpful, very much helpful for gas trouble. Okay, when you heat your body, gas will release. Okay, if you know pranayamas, then Surya Bhedan pranayam is also very much helpful for gastric problems. Fine. Now today we are going to stop our session with last 5 omkaras. You can chant 5 omkaras, 10, 11 omkaras, 20 omkaras, as many as you want. Okay. So sit on the mat. Simply I am going to sit in Vajrasana today. Sit erect, perform Dhyan Mudra, close your eyes and chant the omkaras. Rub your palms slowly. Slowly open your eyes. Okay, students, if you have any concerns, any doubt, so as I told you, you can ask me anytime. Okay, so take care of yourself, take care of your family also. Stay safe and stay healthy. Okay, so take care. Bye bye. We'll meet you in next video. Okay, bye.